Hello friends, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I am here with another crucial update regarding the arcade program, and that is the price counter is now live and the mails are started to roll out in your mailbox. So do check your primary box. If it's not visible there, then also check your promotion box or the spam folder. It should be lying there with the heading arcade price counter. The success look good on you. If it's there, congratulations, you are eligible to claim your swags. That it is corresponding to whichever tire you earned. Okay, so now in this video I will give you a demo how you can actually claim your swags or the prizes through the White Square company. Now the starting 4 tires was covered by the Printos company, and the last 2, the Legend and the Champion tire, was covered by the White Square. I don't have the access to the Printos mail, I have the access to the White Square, so I will be giving you a demo how you can claim, though the process would be same. Okay, so first of all you would be getting a greeting with this, that yes, your efforts and the commitment to building your cloud skill and earning badges truly deserves a round of applause. Truly, yes, it truly deserves a round of applause. After that they would be giving you instruction that you have to keep in your mind, like shipping details, double check your shipping info, and final selection. Once you confirm your price, changes won't be entertained. Then unclaimed rewards, price that are unclaimed would be releases after the deadline or released after the deadline. Extension can't be granted. मतलब अगर आपने swags claim नहीं किए, then you will lose your swags. Okay, so you have to claim your swags within 3 to 4 days. Okay, don't worry if the website is not loading right now there due to high traffic. There are chances that website won't get loaded in a one click. The link would be given in your mail below down. If you keep scrolling, you will receive a unique mail to claim your swags. I officially can't show you that mail or the link because that is a unique link, and you would be able to access my rewards if I show you that link. That's why if you scroll down on your mail, you would be able to access that link. Click on that link and you would be redirected to a page like this, where you would be able to claim your swags. First of all, whichever tire you would be lying in, you will get the swags related to that particular tire. For example, this is of the Legend, so you would be getting all the things from the Legend, that is Arcade Legend backpack and thermal printer, then Legend vacuum cleaner, then polo t-shirt, 20-in-1 cleaning kit, a Lumen, Arcade Lumen, then Arcade Pen Duo. So you would be getting the whole set of the goodies in your account now. Okay, so now what you have to do, once you are done with this, you would be getting this option to claim or select your t-shirt size. You would be getting the polo t-shirt, right? So they already give you a chart size. You have to click your whatever size you have to select. You can select from here and click on add to cart. Once you are done with this, they will redirect you to the order submission or the final checkout page. So there are possibility that pages takes a lot of time to get load because there are high traffic. That's why sometimes you may see the error like this. See, error stabilizing a database connection. So nothing to be worried about, just simply wait for some hours. This is totally happening because of the high traffic on the website. You have the time of 2 to 3 days. You can sit calmly. If it's not happening, just wait for 2 to 3 hours. After that, come back again, try to access your order or place your order. And if it's still giving you an error, then simply wait for today, come back tomorrow in the morning, again try to place your order. Right now I am unable to place my order, but I already showed you how it actually looks like. You simply have to access your price counter, give your t-shirt size, and after that it will redirect you to the checkout page. It will show that the coupon is already applied. You don't have to pay any charges, and you have to log in with the ID. Yes, you have to create a fresh mail on the White Square. If you haven't have any account on the White Square website, you have to create an account like this. Okay, now the website is finally loaded while we were talking. So yes, it will look like this. Our coupon is already applied, so click on the proceed to checkout. If you are seeing 00, it means your coupon is already applied. So you have to click on the proceed to checkout. I guess it is going to take a lot of time that we don't have to cover in the video. Though I am clicking on the proceed to checkout, it is taking a lot. So I will proceed or show you or explain you the steps verbally. Just you have to click on your avatar icon and you have to create your ID here. Okay, just create your account and then click on the proceed to checkout with the ID you created. You have to simply give your email address, or then it will ask you for the address. You have to give you the address and the pin code, all the details like the city, state, the residential area address, and it will ask you for the contact number as well. So make sure the contact number, if you are claiming the swags with the multiple IDs, then the contact number should be unique, and the contact number should start with the country code +91 if you are in the India. And simply click on the place order, and your order would be placed, and you will receive a confirmation mail on your mailbox. Okay, that would be the whole process. इसके अलावा अभी मैं ज़्यादा कुछ आपको visually present नहीं कर पा रहा because the server is down right now. It is taking too long. So I will suggest you to please wait for a couple of moments, for a couple of hours. Try again. You will definitely able to place your order. Okay. With that, I want to simply wrap up the video. And yes, if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I would be covering all your doubts on the WhatsApp group. So make sure you join that. Thank you very much. Good. Bye.